do you want to invest naira and earn dollars in return 100% legitimately from the comfort of your bedroom? This is not a Ponzi scheme. Does this sound interesting to you and you want to know how? Then stick around. Hello, my name is Victor Isibo, the face behind Victor Isibo Reviews. Here we talk money, savings, investments, spirituality, morals, pretty much everything that makes you a better version of yourself. If stuff like this is something you find really interesting, then you may consider subscribing. I think you should subscribe because it's free to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Remember to turn on the bell notification icon so that when I do another video, you'll be the first to know. And to my returning viewers and subscribers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this channel. You're here because you want to find out how to invest naira and earn dollars in return. Before we get to the how, why don't we talk about why? You know, I think before you get to the how, you should talk about the why first. The why is what is going to convince you to want to know about the how. Okay, so we'll get to the why first of all. Now, let's do something pretty interesting. No matter where you're watching me from, no matter what part of the world you're watching me from, I want you to leave in the comment section below the prevalent inflation rate in your country. Leave it in the comment section below. The percentage inflation rate in your country, I want you to leave it in the comment section below. For the benefit of those who don't know what inflation is, inflation simply means the rate at which prices increase, leading to the decrease in the purchasing power of money. I'll hit that again so that it will sink. Inflation is the rate at which prices increase, thereby reducing the purchasing power of your money. Now, inflation rate in Nigeria as at the time of making this video is about 12.69%. Let us round it up. You know, it's approximately 12.7% as at the time of making this video. And inflation rate is calculated, you know, per annum, on a per annum basis. 12.7% inflation rate. What that means mathematically is that 1,000 naira today by next year would only be worth 873 naira. Yes, because when you do 1,000 times 12.7 over 100, which is the inflation rate, what you are going to be getting is 127. Now remove that 127 from the 1,000. You are left with 873. So what inflation means is that if this inflation rate is maintained, that means that by 2 years from now, that 1,000 naira would be worth less, maybe 600 and something naira. 3 years from now, it will be worth maybe 400 and something naira. 4 years from now, it will be worth 300 and something naira. 5 years, 200 and something naira. 6 years, 100 and something naira. 7 years, your 1,000 naira would vanish, it will diminish, it will become worthless. It will not be able to buy anything again, because what inflation does is to continually reduce the purchasing power of a certain amount of money. Okay, there was a time I did a video about Zimbabwe, the hyperinflation in Zimbabwe of 2007-2008. It's a quite interesting video. You'll find it in the card above. Yes, if you watch that video, it will further enlighten you about inflation and hyperinflation. I also did a video specifically for inflation some time ago. You'll find it in the card above. That will tell you more and more about inflation. So you see why I am not a fan of saving for the sake of it. When you save money, the money does not retain its value. It continues to devalue because of inflation. Yes, it continues to devalue because of inflation. So the best thing you can do if you are from a country that has high inflation rate, is to at least invest. At least invest, because your money continually devalues. Now let us analyze something. One of the so-called safest investment you can do anywhere is Treasury Bills in any country. Because for the benefit of those who don't know what Treasury Bills are, they are securities offered by government. It's a way whereby individuals actually lend money to government for government to do capital projects, and government, pay the interest on Treasury Bills upfront. Then at the end of the tenure, they return your money to you. This investment is considered safe. What is the rate of Treasury Bills in Nigeria today? The last time I spoke with my account officer, he was telling me 0.5% per annum. 0.5% per annum, way below the inflation rate. My money is losing value at 12.7% every year, and you expect me to invest to be earning 0.5% every year. Does that make any sense? Okay, some people believe in saving. Let me just save my money in the bank. If you continue to save money in the bank, you are losing money. What are the rates? What is the profit rate, interest rate that banks are offering on savings accounts? Anywhere between 1.25% to 1.3% per annum is what these banks offer savings accounts. Now, you won't even get up to that 1.25, because plenty of banks in Nigeria have a lot of hidden charges. They will charge you SMS, they will charge you for email, they will charge you monthly maintenance, card maintenance fee, a lot of if you cough, you will get a debit alert, they will charge you. Banks have a lot of hidden charges that depletes the little crumbs of 1.25% that they pay you. Fixed deposit, what do they offer? Nothing to write home about. So you begin to think, investing and saving in Naira, you are actually losing money. So what do I suggest we do? Why don't we invest in foreign currency? We invest in foreign currency, we earn in foreign currency, then we convert it back to Naira, then we have a reasonable amount of money. Why do I say so? Okay, $1 in Naira today as we speak is 460 Naira, $1. As at last year, it was 380 Naira. Meaning if I bought $100 last year, it would have cost me 38,000 Naira to buy $100 last year. And I decided to save the dollar. I saved the dollar. This year, if I am to sell that dollar, I'll be selling it for 46,000 Naira. 8,000 Naira profit made in 1 year, not out of investing the dollar, but by saving the dollar. Why? Because the dollar is relatively stable as a currency, as against the Naira that keeps crashing against the dollar. Do you catch my drift? The diagram in the next slide will help you catch my drift better. Now, for the sake of clarity, look at this diagram, a brief history of Naira devaluation. We are using 100,000 Naira as example. In 1980, 100,000 Naira was worth $200,000. 10 years from then, in 1990, it was worth $13,531. In the year 2000, it was worth $1,164. In 2001, it was worth $833. In 2020, it was worth $230. You can see between 1980 and year 2020, 100,000 Naira went from $200,000 to $230. Now, so you see, instead of even saving the dollar now, I am thinking about investing in dollars, so that you will be gaining in two ways. The ROI that accrues to your investment in dollar is actually making your dollar to appreciate, and the continual devaluation of the Naira against the dollar also gives you opportunity to make a lot of money. Like I said, 380 to a dollar last year is now 460 to a dollar this year. Okay, so pending when the economic team and the federal government fixes the economy and stabilizes the currency, financially savvy people are making a lot of money from the Naira crash, and you can benefit from it as well. So why of all foreign currencies did I choose the dollar as a way for us to invest? Why? Because the dollar is the most traded currency worldwide. Yes, the dollar is the most traded currency worldwide. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 dollar denominated assets we can invest in. And I'm going to tell you how we are going to invest in it much later in this video. So stick around with me and, watch this video till the end. So 3 dollar denominated assets that I suggest that we all can invest in. And I'll tell you how to do it from the comfort of your home much later in this video. This video is not meant for only Nigerians. It's meant for everybody worldwide. You can use the steps and the tips that I give in this video. Look around your country. Look at such opportunities for you to make investments like this in your country. So when you meet any opportunity or any startup or fintech that does it in your country, leave it in the comment section below. For instance, say Tanzania, XYZ Fintech offers this opportunity in Tanzania. Right, Uganda, ABC Fintech offers this opportunity in Uganda. Like that. You say it in the comment section below. But I'm going to be giving an instance with a fintech that is in Nigeria that enables you to do this. Now, what dollar denominated assets can we actually invest in and earn? I'll be talking about 3 dollar denominated assets you can invest in and earn depending on your risk appetite. Number 1 is US stocks. US stocks. You get to invest in Amazon, you get to invest in Alibaba, you get to invest in Facebook stocks, you get to invest in Tesla. This investment offers anywhere between 12 to 14% return on investment per annum. Okay, and this is high risk. This is high risk for my high risk takers out there. You need to consider investing in US stocks. It is high risk because of the volatility of stocks. Your capital is not safe. Okay, anything can happen. But if you do your due diligence and you select your stocks carefully, you will be able to be profiting anywhere between 12 to 14% per annum. Do not worry. I am going to tell you how you can, get the best out of US stocks. Number 2 is Eurobond. These are fixed income securities, with stable returns of between 10 to 12% per annum. Your returns are guaranteed. This is for my low risk appetite people, investors. If you have low risk appetite for investment, I suggest that you go into Eurobonds. Number 3 is real estate. This is investment in portfolio of rented buildings in the United States of America. You get returns in dollars through rent and of course capital appreciation. You can earn anywhere between 13 to 15% per annum. This is for medium risk appetite people. If your appetite for risk is medium, then I suggest you go for real estate investment. So now, the ultimate question is, how can you now invest in these dollar denominated assets from the comfort of your home in Nigeria? There is a fintech called Risevest. Now, Risevest, with their team of experts, they carefully select the best stocks after doing all their analysis for you to be able to invest in. And if it is Eurobonds, they have Eurobonds on offer as well, and they also offer real estate investments in the United States of America, where you can conveniently invest. So the sweet thing about Risevest is the fact that you get to fund in Naira, and your Naira is converted based on the obtainable exchange rate into the US dollars, and it is invested for you. You choose which one you want to invest in, be it the US stocks, the Eurobonds, or the real estate. What is the entry amount of money? The minimum amount of money you can invest is, of course, 10 US dollars. 10 US dollars you can start investing. See, investment is not a race. It's a marathon. It's something that takes time. You know, it's not a get-rich-quick plan. It's a long-term plan. We don't know for how long the Naira will continue to crash against the dollar. Those that invested in Risevest when a dollar was 380, when they want to withdraw now, they are going to be withdrawing at the rate of 460. So, see, in Risevest, you are not only making money as a result of the fact that you are earning ROI, you are also, you know, making money and taking advantage of the devaluation of your currency, pending when your country fixes the economic issues that are causing your currency to fall against the dollar. So for my viewers in other parts of the world, look around and search for fintechs in your country that offer these kind of services, and let me know their names in the comment section below, because this video is not meant for only Nigerians. It's meant for everybody all over the world whose country's currency continues to crash against the dollar. That is how you can, you know, leverage on that crash and make some money. For more information about how you can get on board Risevest, look in the description below this video. You will see a step-by-step guide on how to get on board Risevest. If you enjoyed this video and you got value from this video, make sure you give it a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Share this video within your circle so that other people can benefit from this awesome opportunity. If this was your first time, ensure that you subscribe. Do not forget to turn on the bell notification icon so that you get more updates from this channel. Till I see you next time, I remain Victor Isibo. It's bye for now.